Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and staying inside your home. Today's video is for class 4. We have lesson 1, that is alphabetical order, or you can also call it ABC order. This is the supplement English. Today we are going to learn about alphabetical order and how to write alphabets in a proper way. Now the main grammar points are, there are 26 letters. How many letters are there in English alphabet? There are 26 letters. They are written in both capital and small letters. English alphabets can be written in both the letters, capital and small. Capital letters are also called uppercase letters. Small letters are also called lowercase letters. Then we have capital letters and small letters. This is how we write capital letters and this is how we write small letters. You can see ABCD written here. And in English alphabets, letters are categorized into two types. They are vowel letters and consonant letters. There are 5 vowel letters in English alphabet. They are A, E, I, O and U. And the other remaining 21 letters are known as consonant letters. So you can see here we have circled A, E, I, O and U. These are vowel letters and the rest which are not circled are known as consonant letters. And likewise you can see in small letters, that is your lowercase letters, A, E, I, O and U are circled. That means they are vowel letters, and the rest which are not circled are consonant letters. The letters of the English alphabet are written in order. It is called ABC order or alphabetical order. Words in a dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order. Now we are going to arrange these words into different conditions. Here you can see there are 3 conditions. Now the first condition is, if the first letter of word is not same, arrange according to the order of the first letters. Now here you can see ABCD. Now we are going to arrange in proper order. Here is cat, dog, fox and goat. They are arranged in alphabetical order. Here you can see C comes before than D and D comes before than F and F comes before than G. So here it is arranged alphabetically. Now we are going to do some examples. Here you can see Ant-Man, Iron Man, Batman and Hulk. Now do you know which comes first? You have to arrange it in proper order by looking at the first letter of each word. Now here we have A, I, D and H. Now do you know which comes first? Obviously A. Then we are going to write here Ant-Man. Now second, what comes after A? B. It is Batman. And after A and B, which one? I or H? You can see here I or H. Obviously H is before than I, then we are going to write here H, Hulk. And in last we have Iron Man. So we have arranged it in the alphabetical order. Now this is the second condition. If the first letters of the words are same, arrange according to the order of the second letters. Here we have arranged words according to the first letter, and here we are going to arrange the letters into. Now here are some examples. You can see Spider-Man, Superman and Sonic. You can see the first letter of each word are same, that is S. And now we are going to see the second letter of each word. Here we have P as a second letter and U as a second letter and O as a second letter. Now which comes first? P, U or O? You can see here. First P, U and O. Which comes first? O. Then we are going to write here Sonic. It comes first, and after Sonic we have O, P and U. U is at the last. So we are going to write P. It's Spider-Man. And last we have Superman because U comes last. Okay, we have done. Now the third condition. If the first two letters of the words are same, we have to arrange according to the order of the third letters. Here we have to see the third letter of each word. You can see here doctor, dog, doll and door. Here the first letter of each word are same. D, 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 D. Second letters are also the same. O, 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 O. And the third letters are different. You can see E, G, L and O. It is arranged alphabetically. E comes before than G, G comes before than L and L comes before than O. It is arranged in a proper order. Now we are going to do some examples. Here you can see monkey, mother and moon. You can see here the first and the second letters of each words are same. That is M, O, M, O, M, O. Now we are going to look at the third letter of each word. You can see here M, T and O. N, T and O. Now you can see here which comes first, N, O or T. Obviously N. Then we are going to write here monkey. Monkey comes first. And then we have O. That is moon. And then at last we have T. That is mother. So here we have arranged the words according to the third letter. Here we have arranged according to the first letter of each word, and here we have arranged it according to the second letters, and in here we have arranged the words according to the third letter of each word. Likewise, if the first three letters of the words are same, then you have to look at the fourth letter or the fifth letter or the sixth letter of each word. Okay, this much for today, and I hope you will do the given exercise in book. Stay home, stay safe, and thank you.